Welcome back. Now, courses are changeable between projects. And so what you'll do is you'll need to go to this area. You'll click the grab hand, and you can then drag and drop your course into a new project. You see now that the original project is now empty. And if you click inside of this project, you'll see now 2 courses. And of course, you can move that course back to the project. You'll now see that both projects have 1 course. You can clone an entire course. So if you go to the ellipsis, you're going to see that there's going to be a link there that says clone. You're going to be able to click clone. You'll clone your course, and you'll now see the cloned course. You can go in and edit the name of that course. So once you've made the change, you'll need to hit the enter button. And any other changes that you'll want to make, you'll click inside of the edit pencil. You'll make the changes. And even though you don't see a save button, what you'll need to do is you'll need to click the enter button. That will render the changes that you've made permanent. So for example, if we were to change out the image, or to add a new image, that image will then be saved. If you go to preview your course, you'll see the new image inside of what is to be the student course portal. And then you'll see the student has what looks to be separate courses in their course area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.